Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the 19V power cord compatible with various HP monitors at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This power supply is designed specifically for a wide range of HP Pavilion monitors, including popular models like VH240A, 22CWA, 27F, 24F, 23ES, and many others across 27, 25, 23.8, 23, 21.5, and 20 screen sizes. This 19V 3.42A 65W power adapter features a 5.5mm x 2.5mm yellow tip connector, ensuring a secure and reliable connection to your monitor. It supports input voltages from 100 to 240V and frequencies between 50 to 60 Hz, making it versatile for global use. One of its standout features is the built-in IC chip protection that guards against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overcharge, significantly enhancing the safety and longevity of your device. Compatibility is a major strength here. It works seamlessly with numerous HP monitor models, including but not limited to Pavilion 27F, 27BW, 25VX, 2311, and 2011. However, it is important to check your specific model carefully, as it is not compatible with certain variants such as 2011X, 2211X, and M27F. The package includes the AC power adapter, power cable, and a user manual, providing everything you need for quick setup. Pros of this power cord include its wide compatibility range, robust safety features with certifications like CE, FCC, and RoHS, and a reliable power output that matches original HP specifications. It's an excellent replacement or spare for users wanting to maintain optimal performance of their HP monitors without worrying about power issues. On the downside, users must verify their monitor model carefully before purchasing to avoid compatibility issues. Also, the yellow tip connector size might not fit other devices outside the specified HP models, limiting its use strictly to compatible monitors. Overall, this 19V power cord is a dependable, safe, and efficient choice for powering your HP monitor. If you own one of the compatible models, it's definitely worth considering. Remember, the link to get this power cord at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a great deal today.